Okay, this is cute as balls. Balls are not cute, but I mean, like, that's the first thing that came into my head. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is another video of me wearing no makeup. I love makeup, but it takes a long time and I'm lazy in the mornings. Like, if I can have breakfast and a coffee. Anyways, we all know what we're here for. I'm doing the Teami, I don't know, T something. I think it's Teami, but I'm doing the 30-day detox program. I got the starter kit. I have it on my phone here to read it to you guys. It's $80, but you can use a discount code. I don't personally have one, but if you go to Bundle of Brittany, her Instagram account, she is sponsored by them and she gets like teas every month. Her body's amazing. And she has a bunch of discount codes and they're always like 20% off. But I will personally look on her page for you and put up the most recent one in here somewhere. But again, you'd be supporting her, not me. But I used her code because like this was expensive. It was USD dollars and I didn't know that when I got it. Didn't really look into that. I spent 115 bucks. Even with the 20% off code because of shipping. Don't want to talk about it, let's hope this works. So basically, what it comes with, I'll show you, but I'm going to read to you the description. It says, ready to kickstart your healthy lifestyle? The Teami Starter Pack has everything you need to succeed on your journey. The 30-day detox program helps cleanse, reset, and refresh your body in just 2 simple steps. The purpose of our detox program is to get rid of toxins and that have been building up in your gut that could be making you have low energy, slow metabolism, digestive problems, bloating issues, and more. Including in this set is our amazing tumbler, I think it's called tumbler, that makes it easy to take your Teami on the go, whether you're going to work, gym, or just out and about enjoying your day. And that just kind of explains like step 1 and step 2, tells me what I'm getting in it, which includes the Teami Skinny, the Teami Colon, the 30-day detox calendar, the tumbler I got, and then the Teami infuser. And basically, like, all of the reviews have been amazing. I've looked up, like, the reviews on the website have been amazing. I've also looked up a bunch of YouTube videos. Some people said that they lost weight. Some people said they lost inches, which I guess is weight, like, off their waist. But some people it just really helped with their energy. They didn't need to drink as much coffee. Some people it helped them. It cleaned their system out. And since, you know, I didn't get to work out for a little while there while I was recovering, I was really excited about this. So yeah, I watched a bunch of YouTube videos. The reviews were really good. And like the girl that talks about it all the time said like amazing things, and like I said, her body's like good. Obviously you're not going to get results if you eat shitty and you don't work out, I don't think. Like, you have to at least put some effort in. The tea's not a magic potion. We all wish it was. Love to eat pizza every day. And sometimes I'd love to not work out because lately my motivation's been down the shitter, so working on it. Talking about a healthy tea as I drink wine. That's how I get through the day, you guys. I was gonna throw this, but I wasn't sure if there was anything in it, and I don't think there is, so. Oh, it's so cute! That was my, like, baby voice. Okay, this is cute as balls. Balls are not cute, but I mean, like, that's the first thing that came into my head. Maybe it's the wine. Guys, that's so cute. Okay, so I don't know what this is. I think I keep looking this way when I need to look this way. just like a little rubbery tray. I don't really, look at how cute this is. Can we just, it's like rubber and there's like a little leaf on it. Does this come off? Oh, it does. So I'm assuming I'm gonna put the leaves in here and then, I don't know, it's just so stinking cute. Oh, you also get to pick the color that you want when you get the starter kit. Oh boy. Okay, so, oh geez. So this is the Teami, I really hope I'm saying this right, Teami skinny tea. You drink this every morning. It says you take a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon in a cup of boiling water between 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah, and you can actually, it says that if you want like more of a taste, you can also add honey if you want, or lemon. But you can reuse the leaves up to like 3 times in a day. So that's good. And then it comes with the colon ones. These ones, they're already in like little baggies. Okay, so it says use 1 tea bag every other night and allow the tea bag to steep between 1 to 3 minutes before drinking. When I was watching a lot of the reviews, the girls said to only let it sit for a minute your first couple times or you'll be glued to the toilet. So, full disclosure, I don't know about you, but I don't want to feel like I took a laxative. Really hope that's not the case. I'll let you guys know. That's not, this one's not going to sit on its own. Budget, I don't care. Okay. Oh, you got this little calendar. It shows you like when to take the skinny and then the skinny and the colon. Oh, that's good. That's so cute. I'm sorry, I'm gonna like put this in my vanity mirror to remind myself. And then on the other side, so just like it gives you the skinny tips. So it says, drink your skinny every morning, best before breakfast, to boost your metabolism, raise your energy, and suppress your cravings naturally. Reuse your skinny leaves 1 to 3 times daily by adding more hot water to your tumbler. I really hope it's tumbler. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how it's spelled because, can you see it? It says tumbler. Pretty sure it's tumbler. I hope you guys can see that. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Okay. Colon tips. Drink your colon before bed, starting on day 2 of your detox program. Steep your Teami colon for 1 to 3 minutes, then remove it from the mug. Continuously increase the steep time gradually based on your body. 1 to 3 minutes, is a starting point. The longer you let your colon steep, the more toxins you will remove. Okay, so maybe I'll go to like 5 minutes and be rebellious. Okay, I don't want that to like stick in my mirror. I'll just put that there after. Nope, never mind, whatever, it's cool. This is what it looks like. This is the tumbler. It has a how to use instructions here. I don't know if I should try it. I'll just like record in the morning, my first time trying it. Okay. I got all blue, by the way, baby blue, if you couldn't tell. Pretty sure this comes off. Okay, never mind. That's like a container to put like your pills and stuff. Please allow hot contents to cool for 1 to 3 minutes before tightening the lid. Contents that are hot can create pressure on the lid, causing the mouthpiece to pop off. Do not stir, shake, or turn your tumbler upside down. Okay. Makes sense. Oh, there's like a little, it's got a little lid, a little like sippy cup thing, and it's got like this little handle. It's 20 ounces. I got the biggest one. Oh my god. Okay. I get it. Oh my goodness, there's so many contraptions. Okay, guys. So it's got this. That's where you put the leaves in, I think. Yep. And then you add the water. They call that a super... You stick it... I watched the videos and it was easy. Yes. No. I don't know. I'm gonna have to like look at the instructions or something. Because the instructions I'm looking at are right here. It just says, twist the lid counterclockwise to loosen it. Remove the lid and set it aside. Use your index finger to pop the strainer out. Remove the mesh strainer and set it aside. Add your Teami tea and pour it in hot water. Oh, that makes sense. God, I'm an idiot. So I'm going to put the hot water and the leaves just in there. And this is so the leaves don't go in your mouth. Oh, I'm brilliant. And then it's just talking about like, so then what is this to measure out? I thought this was cute for the starter pack. Is this to measure out the like the tea to make sure you're getting like a tablespoon? And then what's this? So many questions and no answers, but this is okay. I got this. It's great. It's cool. Okay, so I will update you guys in 2 weeks, and then I will update you guys after the month. So this is going to be part 1, and we're going to make it to like part 3. Unless like after a week I'm already starting to notice like a huge difference, then I might update you guys as well. I like it. I'm excited. So, and I love that it came with like a little calendar. So that's cute. I hope you guys enjoy these videos about the tea that I'll be posting. I'm trying to have different things up on my channel to keep things interesting. Yeah, so like, subscribe, comment. I would appreciate it very much. I feel discouraged some days. I'm like, why did I start YouTube? But I don't know. It could go somewhere. It could not. I could help people. I could not. We'll see. Anyways, like, subscribe. Have a great night or day, whatever time it is when you're watching this.